Here we see practically how can we make the database with MS Access. So once you start MS Access, you can see this screen, okay? Now the interface is same, looks like MS Office, which have some editing and formatting options are given, saving and other type of options are there. So let's start. Go to File, select New option, click on Blank Database. Then you will get this type of screen here. First of all, by default, table 1 is given. I mean, table 1 is already created in this particular screen. Now, some options, as I told you, which are clipboard, save and filter, refresh, and other options are given here. So here we can directly make our field name and select data type by this data sheet view, or else we have the other option, that is design view, that is better for designing. So here it is asked to save our table, or else you can give the another name. Here we'll write the information about customer, so we'll write the table name as a customer, okay, and save it. Now you will see one more new interface has come, in which you can easily, this is the design view, so you can easily uh, insert the field name and with its related data type. So first of all, ID is by default given field name. Here with ID you can select the primary key. प्राइमरी की इसलिए होती है कि हम उसमें यूनिक और कोई नल वैल्यू इंसर्ट नहीं करते, इसलिए हम इस एक फील्ड को प्राइमरी की अलोकेट करते हैं. इट इज़ अप टू योर विश, इफ़ यू विश यू कैन यूज़ द प्राइमरी की ऑप्शन. ठीक है, तो हम इसे ऑटो नंबर ही रखेंगे. ऑटो नंबर इसका डेटा टाइप है by default, because it will take the values automatically, so we'll select it as a automatic auto number. Okay, rest we have short text, long text, number, large number, date and time, so many more databases are available. So our second field is first name. Okay, customer's first name. So we can select both the data type, short text or long text. The difference between short and long text is short text contains 255 its field size. I mean, you can fill up to 255 characters, and your long text has no any limit. Okay, so we will select here short text type of data type. Then last name, that is you can select the short text or long text or anything as per your wish. Okay, so here we select long text. Okay, then once you click on database na, the downside you can see one new characteristics has been opened. Okay, that is tell about the data types. Next we have took address, which also contains long text. Okay, see, your text data type will contain numbers and alphabets both. Okay, so for address and kind of things we require special symbols, numbers, and also we select the text type of data. Next is zip code. Zip code also contains sometimes some characters, so we'll select here short text. Okay, next data type we'll take is city. So city also contains short text. Then next we will take the data value field name, that is date of birth, and its related data type is date and time. Okay, so it contains date type of values. Okay, next is, now here we have covered almost maximum type of data types which are used frequently. Last we will see the yes or no type of database. So here suppose I will write anything like location of the city. That means if suppose I want to send anything to the customer, then whether it is in the location of the city or somewhere else outside, so for that we will use the option yes or no. So we will type the field name as a location of city, and we'll select the data type yes or no. Okay, this is just to show you how will it work. Okay, for that, so here we have almost ready with our layout or structure of our table. So click on datasheet view to fill the record. Before that, it will ask us to save the table. Now here you can see the framework of your database, that is all the field name that we have inserted that will be coming. Now one by one we will start inserting the records, okay, in our database table. So ID will come automatically, first name, last name, address, zip code, city, then date of birth, location of the city, all will come. Okay, here this mailing list I didn't show you. Okay, but next time I will show these things. Okay, now date of birth, as you can select on date of birth, you will see the small image of calendar. So from here you can select the desired date. And last option is your चेक बॉक्स. ओके, मतलब कि यस और नो वैल्यू है ये, जिसमें कि आप यस करोगे, चेक करोगे उसको तो सिलेक्ट करोगे तो वो यस कंसिडर करेगा, डिसलेक्ट करोगे तो नो कंसिडर करेगा. सो students, such a way you can insert multiple records over here. So in such a way you can create as many number of records as you wish. So try it by your